It's time for What's New, the show that features the latest developments in the software industry that are driving innovation today. What's New is on the air right now.
My name is Mike Roth.
I'm Kim Schmidt, and we're here at Microsoft Irvine for the Windows 7 Incubation Week. Mike and I met on Monday. We had a day of training in WPF and the Windows 7 operating system. And Monday night we had to come up with an application to create. So we decided to create a medical imaging application where you could load x-rays into the application and manipulate it via hand gestures, zooming in to enlarge on diseased areas, being able to annotate with a finger, encircle diseased tissue, and write on that screen exactly notes for other doctors, and then email it off to a coworker for a second opinion. It also has built-in dictation where the doctor can dictate into the machine, and it would be embedded into the x-ray, and so would all the annotations. Also, we have at the bottom a text box where for insurance companies would be the doctor would type next steps. So all of those things would stay with the x-ray, embedded with the x-ray. When you close the application, it would then persist to the client's electronic file. It would also be sent off to the insurance company with all of the annotations attached to it immediately. And also, one feature of the Windows 7 operating system is the ability to program ambient light changes into the application. So this would come in handy, for example, for medicine on the battlefield, and where you're in Iraq, 110-degree temperature, and the sun is shining really bright, and it's hard to see a screen. Now you don't have to worry about that once it's programmed. Another nice feature of the Windows 7 operating system is the sensors also have a sensor to respond to, they're called accelerators. So basically you could program going through the circulatory system video game style, and then say, ooh, look, back up, here's a piece of diseased tissue, and from there maybe even get a measurement. So there's a lot of great features that are programmable with the Windows 7 operating system that you weren't able to do before. And eventually I can foresee having in a doctor's office where you would go up and place your palm on the screen, and the sensors would take your vital signs. And that would eliminate the need for a nurse to do that every single time for every single patient, and that would eliminate doctors' fees as well.